guys, the music is really cool because as you hear it, it also tells us when it goes live, so it gets really, really loud, and then I feel like it's just this explosion of all this beautiful, wonderful snow, and then it's me. Just kidding. However, we're not live. This is a pre-recording for Sunday, day 7 of Plant Therapy's Happy Holideals. So we're going to talk about day 7. We're also going to be choosing some wish list winners today. Let's get started. Are we started? Essential oils definitely can help.
We like giveaways.
We do like giveaways. Forget about the dishes, forget about the laundry, forget about all of that for a minute. That's the same with essential oils, you guys. You have to figure out what works for you. You're going to see a huge difference, Welcome back, everyone. Instagram got to see me touching the presents up here. And then I had like a whole thought in my mind. It was a whole thing, you guys. Okay, so back to the pre-recording. Sunday. Today is Sunday, and this Happy Holideals is one that you guys have been waiting for. Since the beginning, I have seen people saying, are you doing a sale on diffusers? Are you doing a sale on diffusers? Well, guess what? We're doing a sale on diffusers. And it's today, and we're super excited. But before we talk about that, I want to choose the wish list winners first. And there's reason behind it. Don't ask. Okay, so we're going to choose a couple wish list winners. And if you've watched Saturday's live, I want to tell you that we will not be searching ugly sweater until Monday, okay? Danny and I figured that out after the live.
She already had it figured out. I just didn't, she was trying to hint to me.
Oh, I love it. Monday or a future live. Danny's going to be searching ugly sweater, so go change your wish list. Okay, and also if you don't know what I'm talking about with the wish list because you haven't seen our previous lives, go watch Friday's live video, and I tell you how to create a wish list, how to make it public, how to share it, to increase your chances of winning. So make sure you go watch Friday's live if you haven't already to know how to create a wish list because we are choosing wish list winners. Okay, I'm going to choose a word. What word am I choosing? I'm going to choose charity.
Ooh.
Oh, there we go. All their names are charity. That's cool. That's cool. If your name is Charity, then you are now on here, except for Coriel Do It has charity in hers. So let's see. I'm going to actually go through your wish list. I'm going to be a little nosy right here. Let's see. Ooh, we have a lot of organic products on this wish list. Okay. This one is named wish list, so a lot of you get points for creativity. Just kidding. These were before you guys knew you had to name them something funky. Oh, this one's cool. Lots of kids safe, so I'm guessing they have children in the home. They have a precious flower set, a diffuser, lots of diffusers. Okay, whose wish list is this? I gotta go back. This is Charity Richard. Charity, guess what? Diffusers are on sale and they're in your wish list, so go get yourself a diffuser. Ooh, Kid Safe sets. Those are good ones. Kid Safe complete sets. This is a Charity Roper. She has, just a couple oils. This looks like legit wish list stuff. Let's see, and then this one is for the Chakra Synergies Essential Oil Set. And Coriel, I think your chances are going to be pretty great based off of all the words you're using. So I'm going to choose Charity Duncan. That's what I'm going to choose. Wait, I don't even think I looked at this. Hold on. I meant Charity Roper. It looks like we have to give both. Charity Duncan and Charity Roper, because I really chose the wrong one. This is the one I meant to choose. But Charity Duncan and Charity Roper, you both get items from your wish list sent to you. Danny, will you mark both of those down for me?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. And again, it might be one item. It might be all of them. It's really up to CS and what they choose to do. That's how we do it here on the live. Okay, Danny, do you want to choose a word?
Yeah, let's do, how about mistletoe? That's on your shirt.
Mistletoe is on my shirt. And can I give a shout out to Justin Bieber's Mistletoe song really fast? Come
Is
on,
it
if you
good?
haven't watched it, listen to it. My kids are obsessed with it. It's playing on repeat at our house over and over and over and over and over again. So shout out to mistletoe. Okay, Danny, choose what mistletoe. Ooh, there's lots of them.
Yeah, this is so
Shiny tinsel and mistletoe kisses.
Coriel DeWitt. She was just on the last one.
Oh.
Let's choose Coriel DeWitt.
There we go.
Oh, that is so funny. So she's that one right there? Yeah.
Okay, Coriel, here we go. Oh, that's fun. She wants a Merry and Bright and Nova Fuse set, so that's what she's going to get.
Wow, she's really good at choosing.
Coriel, there you go.
I know.
She knows what she's doing. People take lessons from her. She knows what she's doing. We do try to only have everybody, whoever we choose, we try not to choose the same person to win Wishlist. However,
Absolutely.
there's multiple people pulling it, so it's possible someone could win twice, but we try not to let that happen, just FYI. Okay, so those are the Wishlist winners for today, and now I'm going to log out of my account.
Ooh, and we're going to look at some. We're going to talk about today's deal.
Diffusers. Okay, so our happy holidays. Oops, don't go there.
Good thing I wasn't
Good.
looking at it.
I went to the homepage, you guys. It's actually Friday, and we're recording this, so I cannot go to the landing page for the Holideals. Okay, but this is pre-recorded for Sunday, so you guys are on Sunday. You're watching this on Sunday. So what I'm going to no, I don't go to CBDs. It's okay. I'm getting my stuff together. I'm going to go to the diffusers category. So if you go into the navigation and you click on diffusers, all the products on this page are the products that are discounted. So let's see. It is 20% off all diffusers. This is an amazing price and something that I know you guys have been looking forward to. So it is any of the diffusers on this page. So it's our regular diffusers, Aroma Fuse, Nova Fuse, our Ultra Fuse, which is the Bluetooth diffuser down here that I know a lot of you guys got on last sale because it is a more expensive diffuser, and I know a lot of you have been waiting for this deal to get that diffuser as well, to save huge on it. So 20% off. You can also get our Forest Friend, our Kids Say Forest Friends diffuser, which is the one that has the interchangeable ears, and that would be such a fantastic Christmas gift because not only is it something that you will use as a parent, but it also has colorful night lights, and it also has music that's really soothing, and your kids will absolutely love it too. So it's a great Christmas gift for your children. It includes our Diffuse on the Move. It includes our Crystal Car Fresh diffuser, the refill packs. It includes the dog Paw Pal diffuser, and then the inhalers. So all of those amazing diffusers, you can get 20% off. So this is a great time for gifts. I think I told you guys, for my daughter, she goes to preschool, and there's 5 different teachers that teach on different days. And so I didn't want to get them something that was way too expensive because times 5, that's
Expensive.
a lot of money, right? And so what I ended up doing is I ended up getting them the Crystal Car Fresh diffuser and then the Toy Soldier, actually.
Oh.
And so this is a great way to save money on some of those smaller diffusers too that you can use for gifts. So just a small diffuser like the Crystal Car Fresh, the Diffuse on the Move, the inhalers, or a stocking stuffer with the Paw Pal diffuser. But just a small diffuser, you can save 20% off of it, and then like one oil. And it's a pretty inexpensive gift that you can do for friends, for neighbors, for teachers. So that's what I did for my daughter's teacher, is that Crystal Car Fresh, as well as just one oil. And I think they're going to love it. So 20% off all diffusers. You'll need to use coupon code MARY7 for the 20% off to come. So add whatever diffusers you want to your cart, use coupon code MARY7, and the discount will be applied to those diffusers.
Woohoo! Do you know? Do they have to make individual purchases to get that off, or do they throw in all the diffusers
You can
they
throw
want
in
and just...
all the diffusers you want. Yep. And good news is the coupon codes can be used multiple times as long as it's within that 24-hour period. So let's say you go and buy a diffuser, and then you're like, oh, dang it, I forgot so-and-so on my list. I think they also would love a diffuser. You could go back and use the coupon code again. So even though you can put as many diffusers as you want, get 20% off all of them, if you do end up forgetting something and you need to add another diffuser or buy another diffuser, you can do that and use the coupon code again. Just make sure it's within that 24-hour period that the diffuser are 20% off. So awesome. Okay, guys, well, congratulations to everyone who won a wish list. Make sure you go to the diffuser. So in the navigation bar, click on under shop, click on diffusers, and it's everything on that category page. So the smaller diffusers, the inhalers, the one for dogs, the Pop Howl diffuser, and our larger diffusers. All 20% off, today only, as deal 7, Mary 7 of Plant Therapy's Happy Holideals. So I know that's one you guys have been waiting for. It's here. Make sure you take advantage of it. We will be back on Monday for day 8 of Plant Therapy's Happy Holideals. So make sure you come and join us for that live at 9:30 a.m. Mountain Time. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your Sunday, and we will see you Monday morning. Bye, everyone.